breeze, breeze. A light wind. It's a nice day. I can feel the breeze. It's a nice day. I can feel the breeze. Brighten, brighten. To make lighter or happier. Flowers brighten the room. Flowers brighten the room. Brave, brave. Not afraid, not afraid. She is brave to speak on stage. She is brave to speak on stage. Clever, clever. Smart, quick to learn. He gave a clever answer. He gave a clever answer. Calm, calm. Peaceful, not excited. Stay calm and relax. Stay calm and relax. Curious, curious. Wanting to know something. Wanting to know something. The child is curious about space. The child is curious about space. Gentle, gentle. Soft and kind. Soft and kind. She has a gentle voice. She has a gentle voice. Shy, shy. Not confident to talk. Not confident to talk. She feels shy in front of people. She feels shy in front of people. Discover, discover. To find something new. To find something new. We discovered a new cafe. We discovered a new cafe. Imagine, imagine. To think of something in your mind. Imagine a world without war. Imagine a world without war. Remind, remind. To make someone remember. Remind me to call her. Remind me to call her. Borrow. To take and return later. I borrowed a book from the library. I borrowed a book from the library. Escape, escape. To run away from danger. The boy escapes from the cat. The boy escapes from the cat. Protect, protect. To keep safe. We must protect the environment. We must protect the environment. Chase. Chase. To run after something. To run after something. The dog ran after the ball. The dog ran after the ball. Whisper. Whisper. To talk softly. To talk softly. He whispered a secret to me. He whispered a secret to me. Admit. Admit. To agree or say something is true. To agree or say something is true. I admit I was wrong. I admit I was wrong. Appear. Appear. To come into view. To come into view. The moon appeared in the sky. The moon appeared in the sky. Avoid. Avoid. To stay away from something. To stay away from something. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. Belong. Belong. To be a part of. This bag belongs to me. This bag belongs to me. Divide. Divide. To split into parts. To split into parts. Let's divide the cake equally. Let's divide the cake equally. Achieve. Achieve. To reach or get. I want to achieve my goals. I want to achieve my goals. Apologize. Apologize. To say sorry. I apologize for being late. I apologize for being late. Assist. To help. The nurse assisted the patient. The nurse assisted the patient. Complain. Complain. To say when you're not happy. To say when you're not happy. She complained about the noise. She complained about the noise. Delay. Delay. To make something late. The flight was delayed. The flight was delayed. Disagree. Disagree. To have a different opinion. To have a different opinion. I disagree with your idea. I disagree with your idea. Encourage. Encourage. To give support. to give support. My parents encourage me to try. My parents encourage me to try. Behave. Behave. To act in a good way. To act in a good way. The kids behaved well at the party. The kids behaved well at the party. Admire. Admire. To respect. I really admire my teacher for her patience. I really admire my teacher for her patience. Eager. Eager. Excited and ready to do something. Excited or ready to do something. The students were eager to start the project. The students were eager to start the project. Jealous. Jealous. Feeling unhappy because of someone's success. Being happy because of someone's success. She feels jealous because her friend got a new phone. She feels jealous because her friend got a new phone. Unique. One of a kind. She has a unique talent of singing. She has a unique talent of singing. Polite. Having good manners. It's polite to say thank you. It's polite to say thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video would you guys like to see next. Until next time.